you get thrown this curveball with the grave concern, as we come to know it by, and then the team seems to turn to you to handle it, which you did very effectively, obviously. Was there a moment when you're talking with David and thinking, she may just take away his pro hoc vice, Alan Jackson, Eliza Little, and it may just be us two?
There was a fleeting moment in my mind when that came about. And when I mean by fleeting, maybe 5 seconds. In my immediate mode went into defend, prevent, in no way that I can have that happen. And I dug in for 8 days straight, very little sleep, in getting prepared for that. And my mentality and my whole approach after that 5 seconds was I was going to do everything humanly possible to protect AJ's pro hoc vice and Liza's, but it was more AJ's, because we all know if you get your pro hoc vice knocked off in one state, you're going to have difficulties in other state, and it could have had a very, very impactful effect on AJ's practice. So I didn't give much thought beyond those 5 seconds to it. My view was I'm at point A, I got to get to point B, and point B has got to be AJ's got to stay on the team. He's an important member of the team, and to achieve our goal, we needed to have AJ on the team.
And Martin, I'm sorry to interrupt, but what this illustrates is that, if you're in trouble, any kind of trouble, there's no attorney in the country that you want speaking for you other than Bob Alessi. I mean, I had a front row seat to his preparation, and he took this as a personal affront. It's not as though he had a long history with Alan and they were best buds going back to high school. It did not matter. This was a potential attack on a fellow member of the defense team. And, Bob's attitude is, you ask if he had any, concerns or is it going to happen? Bob's attitude is, no, it's not going to happen because I am going to prevent it from happening. And he, pulled out all the stops, did every ounce of preparation, and his advocacy was, you saw it in court. He's just phenomenal. So, with Bob on the case, I really didn't even have those 5 seconds. I knew we were going to win that issue.
And it's really amazing. It's just, coming in cold, cold, trying to catch up, and then this gets thrown at you and it doesn't phase you. It's just, like you said, David, there's only a few attorneys in the country that these type of things wouldn't phase.